In this video, I will share with you information from a millionaire coach, a well-guarded secret information on how to become a millionaire in 5 years, even if you're broke. This will be a step-by-step financial plan. The blueprint to becoming a millionaire in 5 years, a real plan for real people. Let me say this up front, and I say it without hesitation or apology. This can make anyone watching a millionaire within 5 years. Yes, you heard that right. Not through lottery tickets, not through crypto hype, but through a proven, practical, and empowering financial strategy that works, especially if you start with limited resources. This is the game plan that works in real life. It's not fantasy. It's not a theory. This has helped thousands of individuals transform their financial lives using this exact method. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for sharing with you this valuable information. Thanks very much for your kind support. Now let's continue. Let me walk you through it, step by step, so you understand why it works, how it works, and what's waiting on the other side if you act. Step 1. Start with free financial counseling. The first step in your financial transformation is knowledge. Not hustle, not grind, but clarity. Through one-on-one financial coaching, you will be able to take control of your financial life. Even if you're starting with a low credit score, mounting debt, or no savings at all. Here's what we've consistently seen happen with our clients. Credit score increases of 54 to 100 points. Debt reductions of around $3,800. Savings increases of at least $1,500. These aren't flukes. This is systematic financial empowerment. We do this every day, and we've been doing it for years. Why does that matter? Because your credit score is your new passport. It determines what you can borrow, how much you pay in interest, and what kind of life you can build. If your credit score goes up 100 points, your entire financial world changes, instantly. Step 2. Claim what the government already owes you. Most working-class Americans are missing out on thousands of dollars every year, and they don't even realize it. If you earn less than $60,000 per year, especially if you have children, you may be eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, one of the most powerful anti-poverty tools in the U.S. tax system. Let me give you a real-life example. Say you earn $38,000 to $48,000 a year and have 3 children. The federal government likely owes you around $7,000 per year through the EITC. If you've never claimed it, it's retroactive for up to 3 years. That's $20,000 you may be leaving on the table. Let that sink in. $20,000. Not from a second job. Not from a side hustle. Just from claiming money that already belongs to you. And that's just the beginning of what's possible. Step 3. Use that money as a down payment on a home. Let's talk about ownership, not just consumption. If you want to build real wealth, you've got to stop just renting your life and start owning it. Here's how you do that. Take that $20,000 in EITC, or even $10,000 to $15,000 after other obligations. Use it as a down payment on a modest $100,000 home in an emerging neighborhood. For example, just outside central Atlanta in one of the 7 metro counties. Buy that house. Move into it. Don't flip it. Don't sell it. Just live in it. Why does this matter? Because homeownership is the #1 wealth-building tool for the American middle class. While renters are exposed to rising costs and no equity, homeowners enjoy appreciation of property value, equity growth through mortgage payments, tax advantages from ownership. Even if your home value only appreciates 3% per year, in 5 years, you've likely built tens of thousands of dollars in equity just by living there. Step 4. Protect your family with life insurance. This part is non-negotiable if you care about generational wealth. Let's talk about life insurance, the most affordable, underrated tool in personal finance. You don't have to be wealthy to buy it, but it can guarantee wealth for your family if something happens to you. Here's the reality. A $100,000 term life insurance policy can cost as little as $20 per month if you're in decent health. A $1 million policy can cost around $100 per month. And yes, term policies are real insurance. No games, no gimmicks. If something were to happen to you, your children, your spouse, or your legacy would be covered. That money could pay off the house, fund college, or start a business. That's what real generational wealth looks like. Life insurance isn't about dying. It's about planning to leave something behind, intentionally. Let's recap the Millionaire Blueprint. If you follow these steps, here's what happens over 5 years. Credit score jumps 100 points. Opening access to better loans, interest rates, and financial products. You eliminate debt and grow savings, creating financial breathing room. You claim $7,000 plus per year in EITC, plus retroactive claims if eligible. You use that money to buy a home in a growing area and let equity build. You lock in a low-cost life insurance policy, instantly creating $100,000 to $1 million in protected generational wealth. This isn't some overnight success story or scammy get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real-world, step-by-step wealth plan that works for real people. I can make anybody watching this a millionaire in 5 years. But the truth is, you have to show up for yourself. The government can support you. The system can give you the tools, but only you can take the first step. And when you do, you don't just change your life. You change your family's trajectory. You rewrite your financial legacy. Generational wealth isn't reserved for the rich. It's built by those who make a plan, take a step, and refuse to stay stuck. Let's make you the first millionaire in your family, and not the last. Works for real people. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.